Hello, my name is Chris, and today we're going to be talking about preventing downtime with Plex. Downtime has many causes, but ensuring you have the right material, equipment, and personnel available will help mitigate your risk. Plex can help your team effectively manage your resources utilizing our resource planning, scheduling, and preventative maintenance tools. Looking here at our job dispatch list, this is going to give you the capability to visually see your work centers individually or by a group and identify areas of material shortage, past due jobs, or if proper tooling is needed. You can see here based on the right-hand side of our job, it's showcasing all the required bill of materials and everything we have available. You can see directly from the screen here that we're gonna run into some material shortages and we won't have enough material to fully complete the product. As we scroll down, we can see that other jobs have material available that we can then drag and drop to reprioritize those jobs, ensuring that each job that's prioritized has the material, the resources, and tooling available to complete that production run. We also have the capability to establish Kanban Management. So this is where we can set up a min, max, by product line, and essentially have those machines be scheduled and operated individually. So you can see our card system here from the green, yellow, or red, indicating our current inventory levels. On top of that, we'll provide a nice summary of the various levels from the Kanban cards and what material has been produced and what needs to be produced. Getting into preventative maintenance a little bit here, we provide you the capability to create your own preventative maintenance checklist and establish your own frequencies. Frequencies can be established by cycles, the amount of parts that we've produced, a fixed date, hey, every once a month we need to complete this preventative maintenance check sheet, or the amount of production hours that have been associated on that particular machine. By looking at the PM checklist here, we give you the capability to have visual indications of what needs to be checked and showcase that to the maintenance technician. No matter what industry you operate in or other considerations you need to take into account, Plex can help create the appropriate plan for you and your team.